Alright, this is going to be part one of how to create a house roster. We've already created an SQL statement earlier that we're going to use for our report. It will join all the fields that we need together and show the fields that we want to use in this report. It's called staff house roster there. We really sort of want to sort it by the house. Now we're going to add in the fields that we want to see in the report, which is basically all of these. It's just a matter of putting them in the order that we want. And then I'll go and change the widths because they don't all need to be the same. Alright, so that done. Click there. We'll go back to the main page here and go down to reports, and we'll go and change the code in the description. We'll call that HS for house shift. Okay, we'll just probably call this roster. There's a great name. You can see the table that we've used there as well. So this is what it's done. It's created a bit of a footer down the bottom that's got page number and date that it was printed, stuff you can keep there if you like, or you can delete that if you don't. But what we need to do now is we need to order all this information in the way that we want to see it presented. Now, we first of all want to see the house, and then we want to see the year, the month and the day. We also then want to sort it by the start time so that even the shifts within the day are ordered properly. Now, with the month, we're going to put a section in here in the header so that we don't have to actually keep repeating the same information. And we will do the same also to the day as well, because the day might have 10 shifts in it. No, there's no point repeating the day number on each of the shifts. It's much easier sometimes to put them in a group. Now, the way I'm going to go and do this will prove a point, but it's probably not the nicest way it could be done. So we'll put these three things, the description, the house, the year and the month in one group, and then the day in the other group, and then we'll leave everything else in the detail, because that's basically each of our shifts, when they start, when they finish, and the staff members' code. Anyway, you can move all this around. Let's see what we get. What am I going to do? Shall I put them over? So. Even this is going to look a little bit weird, but as I said before, it's to show basically how the report can sort itself, so that the SQL statement or the table that's sitting behind it doesn't have to be ordered. The report will do the ordering by itself. And if there are amounts there, they can even subtotal those amounts or total them at the bottom of the page. So we've set this to portrait as well because it didn't need to be that wide. So we'll close it down. We'll have a good look. It's not going to look pretty, but it's going to give you an idea of how it works. Alright, now what you'll notice here, apart from not being pretty, it's got all the houses and all the shifts all in the one report, which isn't something we would really need, so we'll change that in a minute.